Hey creatives, want to learn how to take an AI pattern and animate it into a loop you can then turn into a reel? Well, I'm about to show you how in Illustrator, Photoshop, and Canva. Let's get started. Let's start in Illustrator. I'll make a new file that's 1920 by 2160. That gives me a canvas large enough for both wide videos and tall Instagram posts. First thing I'll do is generate a pattern. I'm going to create a rectangle the same exact size as the artboard. Next, I'm going to go to the Generate Patterns panel and enter my prompt. There are options that you can choose. I'm going to choose Vibrant Color, and I'm going to choose Geometric. Take a look at the options it gives you. If you don't like what it generated, go ahead and hit Generate again. Once you're happy and you have your pattern, go ahead and save the file. We'll be linking to this in Photoshop next. Next, in Photoshop, I'll create a new file that's 1080 by 1920. That's the standard size for Instagram Reels. Next, go to File, Place Linked, and choose your Illustrator file. Go ahead and hit OK when you see the dialog box. By linking your Illustrator file, you'll be able to update the pattern later if you want new variations. I'll resize the pattern using the bounding box until it has the right density. Then move the box until the pattern is sitting just on the bottom of your artboard. Hit OK. Now it's time to animate. What you need is the timeline panel. You can reach it by going up to Window and selecting Timeline. Create a video timeline. The next thing we're going to do is set the frame rate. We're going to choose 60 so it creates a smoother animation. Then move the timeline down to 3 seconds. At the very start of the timeline, I'll add a position keyframe. Then I'll move the playhead down to the end. Go ahead and grab your pattern and move it down so that the pattern matches up seamlessly. You want to check your first frame and your last frame to make sure they match up. Hit the spacebar to preview. The first pass may be slow while it renders, but once it's cached, you'll see a looping scrolling animation. If it looks jumpy, make sure to adjust the final position of your pattern until the loop feels clean. Once it's working, I'll render the video out as an MP4. Next, in Canva, you want to create an Instagram reel. Just drag your video onto the canvas and then right-click and set video as background. Go ahead and add any text and animation you want. Just make sure to include an animating in and animating out. That way it's a seamless loop. The best part about linking the Illustrator file is that you can swap the pattern at any time. In Photoshop, just right-click on the pattern layer and choose Edit Contents. Illustrator will open and you can either tweak the existing design or generate an entirely new one. Save it and Photoshop updates the animation seamlessly. And that's it. You've just created a looping animated pattern, starting in Illustrator, animating in Photoshop, and finishing off in Canva for social. Try it with different prompts, colors, and styles. Tag me if you share your reel. I'd love to see what you make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design and animation tutorials.